Today we're going to be doing an upgrade on the Honda Africa Twin Adventure Sport. We are going to be installing a center stand because, as hard as it is to believe, this premium bike does not come with one. So let's get it done. On the right hand side of the bike, as you're sitting on it, underneath the shock, you want to remove the nut that's more forward on the bike. So there's two here, but it's the one that's forward facing. 17mm spanner will loosen that up for you. With that done, you're ready to prep the stand. Got to get your rubber grommets in place. So the round one goes on the one on the opposite side to the kickstand. Use a screwdriver just to wedge it into place properly. Once it sits in, you can give it a quick wipe down. And we do the same on the opposite side. It's a different shape, it's rectangle, it fits it better. The reason I'm using WD-40 is that will dry out in a matter of time. Job done. Under here, you're gonna need to grease this area and this area. Multi-purpose. This is gonna be the mounting point for the stand to sit on. This part here, collar, is gonna insert into this at the same time as you're putting it on here. It might be hard to see in the camera. Now, there we go. And this is what you'll see on the other side, just here. Next up is the washer. And after the washer, you put your circle clip onto it. One side will be completely sharp and one side will be slightly rounded. Rounded side facing into the bike. With the remaining parts, it'll be hooking in underneath the bike, but just before you do hook it in, you're going to attach the springs. One on, with the other one crossing the opposite way. This is then attached above the stand you've just placed on a latch just here. So let's see if we can catch this. Simple as. Now, with that attached, you'll have two springs and you just need to hook these to the stand. I'm using a spring puller tool. There's lots of different options out there. Once you've all that done, you gotta come back around and put the bolt on that you took off. And there you have it.